my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. As you guys can see in today's video, we're in a different location. Yes, we're in my kitchen. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you guys see me posting on my Insta stories. Sometimes I share some of my cooking with you guys, and some of you have suggested that I bring my cooking to my YouTube channel and share some of those recipes with you guys. So that's what I'm about to do today. Some of you guys have requested, y'all love Chinese food. I mean, we all love Chinese food. And if you love Chinese food, you know fried rice is the real deal. Fried rice is the ish. Okay. Anyway, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an easy chicken fried rice recipe. Restaurant style chicken fried rice that we all love. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it. And from what I've seen the Chinese people do, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys so you guys can also make Chinese chicken fried rice at home. But before we do that, you guys know the drill. I need you guys to hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you hit the little bell right next so that you get a notification every time I post. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Yeah, I get plenty Tinz for my mind.
Our vegetables, we're going to need about 1/4 of an onion chopped. We're also going to need some bell peppers. Here I have green pepper, red pepper and yellow pepper, and some frozen vegetables. I have some peas, corn and some carrots. We're also going to need some garlic and ginger, finely chopped. And for our protein, we're going to need some eggs. I have 3 eggs here and some chicken breast, which we're going to cut up into small pieces. We are also going to need some butter. I have salted butter right here, and we're going to need soy sauce and oyster sauce. Now you can use any brand of your choice. I'm just using these local Chinese brands from the supermarket that I have for my soy sauce and my oyster sauce. For seasoning, I'm going to be using Robertson spices. I have Portuguese chicken and some paprika and this Chinese chicken spice that I like, but you can use spices of your choice. I'm also going to need some salt and some pepper for seasoning.
Blessings fall on your grind. Yeah, shout out to all the guys we've been telling me, see me, I no go blue. Money coming, I can feel it in my soul.
We're going to go ahead and start cutting up our chicken breast. We're going to cut it up into small tiny pieces so that it can get incorporated into the rice properly. Next, we're going to break the 3 eggs into a small bowl. And then we're going to add a pinch of salt and whisk up the eggs. I'm using chopsticks, but you can use a fork, of course. Next, we're going to mix our soy sauce and oyster sauce together. We need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And you want to make sure that you mix these really well so that they incorporate into the rice. You don't want one part with more sauce than the other. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of butter into a pan and melt it. Next, we're going to take the beaten eggs and add them to the butter and then scramble them.
Many things don't happen to me.
Scramble them until they're soft and fluffy, but make sure you break them into the tiniest pieces possible. We're going to put them aside on a plate for later use. We take another tablespoon of butter and melt it. And then we're going to add our ginger and garlic and saute them for a few seconds or until they start to release their beautiful aromas to the butter. And then we're going to go ahead and add our chicken strips. Make sure you season the chicken with salt and some pepper.
Blessings on me. Many things don't happen to me. I'm not the alpha me.
We're gonna go ahead and add our onions and bell peppers and fry. Guys, the aroma is just amazing. It was smelling really good. We're gonna go ahead and add our spices. I've added the paprika and the Portuguese seasoning.
And if you get the problem with me, make it comfort. I get plenty things for my mind. Yeah, I say make the blessings.
And then we add our frozen vegetables.
Money coming, I can feel it in my soul.
Next we add the rice, and I'm using jasmine rice. Guys, I love jasmine rice because it smells really good and it doesn't stick. It like separates into single grains, unlike the normal Chinese rice that's sticky. We're going to add our rice and mix with the rest of the vegetables and the meat.
I just make plans and make it tough for me. Please don't ever tell me that you're proud of me. I know you're hidden, don't you lie to me.
And then we're going to go ahead and add our oyster sauce and soy sauce. Now guys, this is the secret ingredient. This is the key to great Chinese fried rice. The oyster sauce and the soy sauce are what makes the Chinese fried rice. Do you know what I mean? We're going to mix really well, guys. Make sure all the flavors are blended in together. Everything is mixed in so well. And then lastly, we add our eggs. The eggs that we put aside, we add them to our rice and break them up into tiny pieces so that they incorporate well with the rest of our food.
Many things don't happen to me.
Lastly, I added that Chinese chicken spice I told you guys about. This is kind of like aromat. If you know aromat, this kind of has the same taste and effect to the food. I realized that my soy sauce was a bit too little, so I added just a bit more. Guys, at this point I was getting so hungry because the food was smelling so nice. Make sure everything is mixed together.
Yeah, shout out to all the guys we've been telling me, say me I no go blue. Money coming, I can feel it in my soul. Waiting you rip now, waiting you so.
So this is it, guys, the final product, served and garnished. Doesn't it just look delicious? I mean, girl, honey, I'm so excited right now, guys. Like, yes, this plate looks good. Like, aren't you hungry? Because I know I am. I really be out here hyping myself and hyping my own food.
Okay guys, so there you have it. Chicken fried rice. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this because I'm hungry, okay? And this food smells so good. Like, it smells so good. The aroma of the ginger, the garlic, the spices, the soy sauce, everything is just smelling really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste the food now. Oh, I did that. I definitely did that. Wow. Nanji. That means delicious in my language. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big, fat, thick thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want to see more recipes from me. If you guys want me to start like a mini cooking section on my channel, I'll be happy to do that. I'll show you guys some of my favorite Chinese dishes that I love and that I've learned to cook. I'll be happy to do that only if you guys give this video a big fat thumbs up so I know. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.